Hi everyone, I'm Will, one of your house captains. Welcome to RGS. We're really looking forward to meeting you soon and welcoming you to the best house, that is Birdhouse.
Hi, I'm Asma. We'd like to tell you a little about the house system at RGS, introduce ourselves, and to each give you a top tip for September. You'll be hearing from each of us on these top tips, so listen carefully.
All of us have been allocated a house, and we are delighted to have you in Bird. Our house colour is green, and our house mascot is the harpy eagle, the strongest eagle in the world, with a wingspan of over 2 meters.
Hi everyone, I'm Ellie and I'm really excited to welcome you all to Bird. Throughout the year, we have the house assemblies on a weekly basis and you'll be put into a family with your second form buddy and a sixth form mentor, who you'll meet on your first day and you'll have lunch with them. So lucky for you both, you get to know each other really well.
We do lots of fun activities during Friday mornings in assembly, and there's so many house events every single term to get involved in. Some of my personal favourites are house chess, debating, also house quizzes which bring the entire school together, house singing which is a great laugh, other charity events, and also house sports which I'll pass on to Charlie to talk more about.
There are house sports events all throughout the year where the 4 houses go against each other. There's a great sense of competitiveness and all the points go towards a house cup. House gives you a really good chance to explore new things and it's all about having fun. My top tip to you would be when you join the school, you want to get as involved as you can with everything. Really throw yourself at it. You'll find out new things about yourself, you'll make friends, and I guarantee you'll have great fun.
My top tip is to name everything, as it is extremely easy to leave things lying around, especially when you first join the school. But if it has your name in it, it will find its way back to you.
My top tip would be to have a games bag that you can easily recognise. So that could be a bright one or it could have a personalised big keyring on it so that you can pick it out quickly amongst all the others on the racks.
My top tip for you is to pack your bag the night before. This means you don't have anything to worry about in the morning, and it makes it much less likely for you to forget any of your books or homework.
My top tip for you coming into RGS is make the most of all the activities. There's such an amazing variety in just the very first month to take part in. This is a great opportunity to make new friends and to talk to people outside of the classroom. The Harry Potter trip at the very beginning of the year is a highlight for myself and many other first form students, and another great time to talk to people and to get to know everyone in your year.
If you do get stuck, please don't hesitate to ask anyone around you for help. But especially look out for your tutor, head of year, and of course one of us. But I think that's all from us now, so we'll look forward to seeing you all back in September.